Have you ever watched a video and wondered how every clip looks perfectly color matched? No weird color shift, no random lighting changes? CapCut has a hidden color tool that fixes all that in seconds. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the videos you want to edit. Once imported, add your videos to the track. Before editing, let's preview the video so we can see how colors currently look. Now, go to the toolbar and tap Adjust. Inside the Adjust tab, tap Color Match. A new window will pop up. Here, you can select the source frame. This is the frame CapCut will use as the color reference for your entire video. You have two options. Select a frame from your current video, or select an image or clip from your local files. For this tutorial, let's select a frame from our video. Once selected, CapCut will automatically match the colors of your video to the reference frame. After that, use the intensity slider, lower the intensity for subtle match, increase it for a stronger, more dramatic color match. Once you're done, preview the video to see the result. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've successfully used Color Match in CapCut. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!